they are now playing stress on me. Second, I was expecting, because I had maintained a free process, which is non-interference by anybody in the process I handled. Right. So I was expecting more coverage. But I was expecting more people to bid for it. But somehow Zalna. But we are looking forward to doing some benefit where our goals also will be accommodated. Second part is, it is better than last time. Last time, Sozan, Sazan, but Daza. So it is, getting better. आमगे चॅलेंज ती आता animalize करपाक आनी recovery करपाक आमकां थोडे loan आहले. We are clearing the loans. We are putting that in order. Once loans are over, infrastructure will be taken care. Once infrastructure is taken care, we will take labor issues, staff issues. They regularize all night. All those issues systematically we are going with the help of Chief Minister. Chief Minister is total help. Chief Minister म्हणटा कोण काम करायचे ते ॲक्शन पासून घे. आम्ही मातशे रावले अजून खूप चान्स दिताय. कित्याक तेंगे कितें जालां तेंगे थोड्यांगे सारकें हें जालां आहा तें. They have become gubbers there. So we have to take action against some fellows who are doing too much. Okay. It's not that Chief Minister is saying take action. I'm waiting. I'm just hoping that things will improve, and we are looking forward to सारकें put everything in order by March. That time maybe last. That time Chief Minister कडे सांगून आमी industry कडे मागीर डिमांड करतले. कितलो लोन आपलो? Loan about 50 CR ahlo balance ahlo 25 CR we have 25 crores we have almost zala settled this. So now with another 12-13 which is coming, I think we will be balance samka anek maybe 18-17 we will be able to, but we will manage. Total plots actually plots 30 are left, but then if I'm 10 takers are, so then it's quite good if you go to see, but at least, but not to my expectation. I was expecting more. Okay. Infrastructure I want to put infrastructure in order. Chief Minister direction, Justice Minister direction. They are also assisting us how to do and what to do. And this is the first time when the chairman, IDC, Minister, Chief Minister, all are in one direction. So taking this advantage, we want to put everything in order, and even staff issues, IDC issues, as well as loan issues, we would like to settle.